الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده وقال قائل حب الوطن من الإيمان. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the world, and peace and blessings be upon his prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. My dear brothers, as you know, India became independent from the British rule after the hard struggle and sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. Some of them are Muslim and some of them are Hindus. So I would like to count some Muslims there. As you know, Maulana Hussain Ahmed Madani Rahmatullahi alayhi, Maulana Mahmood al-Hasan al-Tawhindi, Maulana Rashid Ahmed al-Gammari, Maulana Qasim al-Narikari. So these days we should be proud to be an Indian. So at the end, I would like to conclude my speech with a slogan. Please speak with me. I love India. I love India. I love India. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. I love India. I love India. I love India. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.